If you opened Microsoft Excel recently and thought, wait, where is agent mode went? Then you are not alone. A lot of users are confused because earlier Microsoft was calling this feature agent mode, but now you do not find it. Well, Microsoft have changed the way it appear inside Office application. So now we will not going to see any agent mode, but at the same time it is not removed. Instead, it now got renamed and merged into normal Copilot experience. So earlier you might expect a clear button saying agent mode or Copilot in home tab, but now in many Office apps like Excel, Copilot now appear as this small floating button in bottom right corner. And sometimes it makes sense actually to go from ribbon interface to this particular interface, because when we put a floating button, this is always accessible no matter which tab we are in. So here you can see I am changing the tab, but the Copilot floating button always accessible to be utilized. And when you click on it, it's going to open Copilot on the side, where you can do and expect the thing how Copilot as well as agent mode should be behaving. Microsoft is just trying to make Copilot feel like a normal part of Office instead of separate mode. And that's also wrap up this video, guys. So you do not need to worry about agent mode. Simply whatever you used to ask agent mode to do, here you can ask this integrated Copilot. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to office productivity, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.